Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your POCO M7. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the brightness in these settings. Now in those settings, we want to go over and scroll down until you see display and brightness. Here you want to make sure that you disable automatic brightness because it will mess up the setting that you set automatically. So if you set it like here and you enable automatic brightness, it will go all the way up. Sorry, not all the way, but as you guys can see, it's very bright. Now we'll keep it a bit darker. I'm gonna put my brightness right here. And next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. Open up the Play Store, go to search for apps, and here type in screen dimmer, and then you will see OLED Saver right here. Now click on it, click the first app, and click install. It's only 1.5 megabytes. It should install instantly, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna open it. So we're gonna click open now. We're gonna click this and grant our first permission. So it is to modify the system settings. This is to make sure that the app can control our brightness. Now the next one, we need to go to general and then downloaded apps. Here we're gonna select screen dimmer and we're gonna use it. You need to select I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. So this is a highly sensitive permission for this phone exactly. And why is that? Because here, whenever we rotate our screen, whenever we change the overlay, or whenever we just open our keyboard, the screen dimmer needs to dim our screen. So these are a bunch of different scenarios and the screen dimmer needs permissions to do it. Here we're gonna click enable the service and I'm gonna lower it a bit. As you guys can see, we can have a lot of fun by setting this thing up, but this is totally up to you. Here you guys can even manage the brightness settings, and here you guys can set the extra dim to brighter or dimmer. Here you also got the advanced like minimum physical brightness, brightness change delay, and change duration. Here you guys can set it all up to yourself. Also you got the pixel filter settings, as you guys can see it like this. You guys can of course change it, and yeah. After that, what you guys want to do is if you don't want the service anymore, you just tap here, then make sure to change your brightness manually. And right after that, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go over and check for software updates. So we're gonna go to the settings now, about phone, and here click HyperOS. As you guys can see, I got no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you guys updating the software itself. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.